Hi everyone, my name is Bharti Chaudhary and today we are going to discuss the numerical answer type question number 9. In order to cover fixed distance of 48 km, two vehicles starts from the same place. The faster one takes 2 hours less and has the speed of 4 km per hour more than the slower one. Using the given information, answer the following question. Now it is saying that from a fixed point, suppose let us consider this as the fixed point, to here, the distance between these 2 points is 48 km. So two vehicles start, suppose let's see as capital V1 and capital V2. Now the information that is given to us is that the faster one takes 2 hours less and has the speed 4 km per hour more than the slower one. So let's consider that the velocity of the slower one, let's consider that slower one is V1 and the velocity BV, small v, and time Vt. So this is the faster vehicle, and the faster vehicle, the information that is given to us is that its velocity will be 4 more than this slower one. So it will be the value of v plus 4. And your time will be 2 hours less than the slower one. So the time will be t minus 2. Fine. So according to these given information, we have to find out what is the speed in kilometer per hour of the slower vehicle. So we have to find out that what will be the velocity of the slower vehicle. So as you know that the distance that has been traveled by slower one is 48 kilometer. The velocity that he or she obtained was v and the time he took was t. So you can simply say that for v1, velocity into time is equal to 48. Why? Because you know the formula that distance is equal to velocity into time. So you got this is 48 kilometer. Now for v2, the same thing will be there, but here v plus 4 into t minus 2 is equal to 48 kilometer. Let us suppose this equation 1 and let us suppose this equation 2. Now you can see that by equating equation 1 and 2, we will obtain a relation such that Vt is equal to v plus 4 into t minus 2. Why? Because the distance covered or acquired by both of the vehicle will be same, whether the velocity will differ or the time will change. So the distance covered is same. So you can equate equation 1 and 2. Now simplify this equation, you are going to get Vt is equal to Vt minus 2v plus 4t minus 8. Cancel out this term. You are going to get a linear equation such as v minus 2t plus 4 equals to 0. Now, by using equation 1, you can easily say that your velocity v is equal to 48 by t. Now putting the value of v in this equation, you are going to obtain 48 by t minus 2t plus 4 is equal to 0. Further simplifying, first of all take 2 common, you are going to get 24t minus t plus 2 is equal to 0. Now simplify this equation more. You are going to get 24 minus t square plus 2t is equal to 0. Now you have obtained a quadratic equation where this quadratic equation root will give you the value for t. So let's simplify this equation. You are going to get t square minus 2t minus 24 is equal to 0. Now let's factorize this quadratic equation. This will become t square minus 6t plus 4t minus 24. Further simplifying, you are going to get t minus 6 t plus 4 is equal to 0. By this, you will get the value of t as 6 and minus 4. But you already know that time cannot be negative. Hence, we will be neglecting minus 4 and we will be considering 6. So this t, as we already know that this t is nothing but the t that we have considered for the time for the slower one. This t represents the time of slower vehicle. Now, in the question, it is asked that what is the speed of the slower vehicle? So, as you know that v into t is equal to 48 and we have obtained the t value as equal to 6. Now, v into 6 is equal to 48. Therefore, your v will be equal to 8 km per hour. So the velocity of the slower vehicle has come up to 8 km, which is this one. And the next question says that what is the time taken by the faster one? So as you can see that this t represents the slower vehicle, time for the slower vehicles, which is t is equal to 6 hours. So as we have discussed that in the data also it has been given that the time taken by the faster vehicle is 2 hours less. So whatever the time that our slower vehicle has, 2 less than that will be the speed time of our uh, faster one. So here the time will be equal to t minus 2 for the faster one, which will give you 4 hours. So according to the calculation, we have reached that we got the time for the faster one we got as our 4 hours, and the speed for the slower vehicle we got 8 km per hour. Hope I have made this question very clear. If you do have any doubt, you can write me in the comment section. You can also mail me on the my mail account, which is given in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and we will be meeting with the other question. Thank you.